The process of living your desired life is easy when you apply this four-step rule that can guide you to live your future. Honestly, they are four steps, but once you understand them, you can use them instantly. And it turns out it's really easy to start using these even today, to actually start living your desired self. Yes, you can create what you want. Yes, you need positive thinking and consistency, but there's something more that comes when experiencing your desired life that a lot of people overthink. And that is, how do I do it? I'm sure you've heard this concept before. Manifestation is shifting mentally to a degree where you are no longer emotionally dependent upon seeing reality change. Well, what does that even mean? Between who you are, your present, and who you want to be, your future, there is a gap, and this gap is known as time. Time is what separates your current life from your desired one. That being said, removing time will allow you to see and live your future now. I know you might be asking, how do we remove it then? Well, it's easy, by aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the version of you that has already achieved your goals. But there are four key steps to do that. Let's start with the first step, which by the way is the most important one. By being aware of your current self and by having a clear picture of what you want, you are on the way to completing the first step, which is visualization. Most people do it wrong though, because they do not have a clear picture. By clear picture, I mean you must see every detail of what your desired life is. What does your day look like? How do you feel? How do you express yourself? Your cars, houses, how would you manage your life? You must see all these details clearly because this is where the second step starts. This is where you start to believe and affirm. By affirmation, I am not saying you should write affirmations and repeat them every morning or go tell everyone you are rich, etc. No, most people lie to themselves when they do that. They are saying it, but they doubt it. They do not believe what they visualize can be their reality. When they do that, they avoid doing the next step. Step 3 is taking appropriate and related actions. Think about the actions your future self would take. You don't have to start big, but each day you must do one thing that aligns with your future self. It's crucial, but most people don't do it. Not because they don't want to, but because of their surroundings, environment, friends, family, etc. Certain types of people discourage you when you are changing. Since you are reaching another level, they cannot understand it for now. But if you keep going and persist, you will experience your future so deeply that you will be lost in it, and you will not be able to identify when your future became your present. This is when manifestation truly happens, as you have shifted mentally to a degree where you are no longer emotionally dependent upon seeing reality change.